Hey guys, good afternoon. Chef Greg here from UT Culinary. We have our good friend cousin Brooke today cooking a little Spanish cuisine, and of course the star of the show, Gabriella. You know, Gabby, what are we making today? Oh, really? That's good. So we are making, Gabby and Brooke are going to make a tortilla espanola, and they're going to saute a little potatoes and sausage with some eggs. So guys, go ahead and start on that dish, and we'll follow up in a second. Okay, put your veggies in. That's it. Good. Go. Put your eggs in. Okay, and then turn your heat down on low. So let's talk about this paella first. So the goal with paella is you want to get a nice golden brown to your onions and your peppers, and we have sausage in here and chicken, and we will eventually put some mussels and shrimp in there. But it's about making this dish golden brown. Go ahead, add your eggs. You're good. Add your eggs. Okay. The dish you want it golden brown and delicious, right, Brooke? GBD, correct? So after I get everything browned, I'm going to take a strainer and check out this stock right here. It's got lobster shells in it, chicken bones, pork bones. It has shrimp shells in it, and we are going to strain this just like so and let that simmer for a few seconds. And paella is a Southern Spanish peasant dish. So the individual would work by the sea and get chicken and sausage and seafood and a big fire and cook it in a paella pan, which is really thin. And you want to cook this paella where it has some really good golden brown rice to the bottom and have a good crust. So this is going to cook for a few seconds. Okay, guys, turn your burners on a little bit higher. Oh man, look, that's looking pretty good, isn't it? Gabby, how's yours doing? Is yours doing good too? Turn it on a little higher. Okay? And then with the paella and the tortilla espanola that we'll make a presentation in our next video is we're going to make some Romanesca sauce. So the Romanesca is, in this jar, olive oil, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, and an obscene amount of red peppers, and some sliced almonds, and we're going to puree this. Now this tortilla espanola, this Romanesca sauce is a lot like a Spanish ketchup. You can put this on beef, chicken, seafood. You can even put this on cardboard and it would be good. Gabby, you want to eat some cardboard later?
No.
No? Okay, Gabby, turn your burner off, okay, because you're almost ready to flip. Brooke, turn your burner off, you're almost ready to flip. Okay, almost. Okay, remember, lift the skillet up. A little bit of almonds in here. And wait till we have this presentation with the Romanesca sauce. I think we'll cut into this manchego cheese. Look at the bright color on this Romanesca. Peppers, tomatoes, garlic. That should be pretty good, shouldn't it? So we got about 15 or 20 minutes cooking time on the rice. Okay, how's the tortilla espanola, guys? Good? Is that ready to flip, Brooke? Give it a shot.
Is mine?
Huh? Yours is ready to flip too. So again, if you don't make it, flip it over there, Gabby. Right, hey man, you're batting 60%. Oh, Brooke, you got one too. Man, that is awesome, guys. You did great with that. The puppies are really happy too because that's it, Gabby. The puppies are happy too because they got a little tortilla espanola too. So if you could smell this, it's amazing. Again, with the stock, lobster shells, shrimp shells, chicken bones, onion, celery, carrots, a bunch of thyme. So we're going to have a great lunch, aren't we, Brooke? Yeah. Guys, I'll see you in a few seconds. Thank you so much.